Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to disconnect hotspot on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, you can see here the first option is the connection. So here you have to move on the connections. Okay, on the first option. Okay, when you click on the connections, you can see here on the first option again the Wi-Fi option. Okay, so don't click on this icon. Okay, but firstly you have to activate the Wi-Fi or deactivate the Wi-Fi, but it should be connected. If you want to disconnect, the Wi-Fi should be connected from before only. Okay, now let's move on the Wi-Fi. When you move on the Wi-Fi, you can see this Geo Fiber one, it has been connected, and here is the connected option, and you want to remove this connection. Okay, what you need to do is start from the mobile phone. You can see on the side here, connected on the side, here is the setting. Okay, and just click on the setting. When you move on the setting in the screen, you can see on the down is the forget option. So if you want to remove or disconnect the connected Geo Fiber, you can remove from here by just clicking on forget option. You just need to click on forget option. See here, Geo Fiber one has been disconnected. You can disconnect it like this. Okay, see, before it was connected, right, but now it has been disconnected. Okay, so if you want to disconnect or unpair, you can unpair it like this. Okay, and if you want to connect again, you just come on this screen and click on available networks. From here you just select. After you have been select, type the password and click on connect, and this net will be connect successfully. Okay, and if you want to shortcutly want to connect, like you don't know the password, okay, you forgot it, you can bring the connected mobile phone and just click on the scanner, and other mobile phone click on the QR code, then scan it, and it will be connected successfully. Okay, through QR code. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.